Yeah, welcome YouTube. My name is Paul Kroon and I'm gonna be your host today. And today we're gonna go on with the fifth part of our styling video series. And what we're gonna do today is exporting our app we built for our styling template, and we're gonna import it to another environment or in another app. So let's go to PowerApps so I can show you how to do this. Here we have our app with a design and our template screen as a basis, and you shouldn't forget to first save your app and then also publish the app, because only the published version will be exported when you do that in PowerApps. Then we go to a different screen, and I have to see the screen myself. And here we have our styling demo, which we were building on, and we see that the last version, the fifth version, is live. So we can erase the other version because we could say, hey, they are not needed anymore. And then at the right side we can export a package. So we're gonna click that, and there is the name of our app, the resource type, and the import settings. Now, when you have a development environment and a production environment, and you say, I have an app running, I build it further in my development environment, and I want to update it in my production environment when I'm ready for it, you use update. But when you want to make a new app, you choose create as new. So it's gonna build basically a new app. And if you have resources connected to your app, it's gonna ask you which resources you want to use in the environment you want to build your new app. But this is a new app, so we don't have related resources on this moment. So let's call this Power App Templates 1, and one small moment. And then say export our package. So now it's gonna create a package, and we're gonna see on the left here, we're gonna see that it's exported. So we can go to our app. It's stated _2 because I already tested it if this works, of course. So then I have made a new environment and without any apps. So let's say we want to import our app to this environment. So let's look at a template. We want to upload. And say create as new and import our app. We have to wait a little bit for PowerApps to import it properly, but in just one moment it's going to be ready. And now when we go to the app screen, we have our app, and we could say we want to have the details and edit our app in our new environment. So we see our two screens again, and also here when we are looking for our 00 for our templates control, we're gonna find them. So let's do one thing by renaming our app and say this is a new app. Okay, let's close this one. by just leaving the window and try again. And now we have our new app name. And we have imported our template in a new environment, and we can go building our solution from there. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next videos. So thank you for watching.